Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Hyundai Palisade Limited all-wheel drive. This one is a steel graphite. Underneath the hood is a 3.8 V6 pushing out 291 horsepower and 262 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 20-inch wheels. The tires are in good condition. A black leather interior. Sunroof, captain's chair in the rear, ambient lighting, rear climate controls, rear heated and cooled seats, third row seating available, Palisade H-track badging, power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats, fold down third row seats. And alongside, this one does come with a keyless entry, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got a heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, dual climate controls, different driving functions, heated and cooled seats, cup holders, USB port. This Hyundai has 5,132 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Hyundai, check out feldmanimports.com.